Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the one of the hottest career path in the tech right now, the DevOps engineering. The DevOps engineering and the more specifically the essential skill you will need to know about the DevOps engineering we will discuss today. So let's get started. So we have divided these skill set in the sections. So in the first section we will discuss about the programming language and the scripts. So first up, your programming languages and the scripting language. As a DevOps engineer, you will need to automate the repetitive task, manage the configurations and the write custom script. And the most common language you will work with are the Pythons, Bash and the Go. So these three languages are fundamental for almost everything you need to know in the DevOps engineering. In the section 2 we will discuss about the cloud computing. So next is the cloud computing. So cloud computing platform like the AWS, Microsoft Azure and the Google Cloud are the everywhere in the modern tech. So you will need to know how to deploy, manage and scale the applications on this platform to meet the business needs. And the cloud expertise is the absolute must. You need to know because it's the core essential skill set for the DevOps engineering. So now we will discuss about the section 3, which is the configurations management. So let's talk about the configurations management. A tool like the Ansible, Puppet and the Chief will help you to maintain the consistent configurations across your systems. These tools are all about the making your infrastructure predictable, automated and the scalable. So likewise, to manage your infrastructures, it will help you to manage everything. Now we will talk about the CI/CD, which is the section 4. What is the CI/CD? CI/CD is the continuous integration and continuous development, and we also deploy the applications by using the CI/CD pipelines. So we will discuss detail in the next video. So now we will discuss about these CI/CD. We need the tools, the Jenkins, GitLab CI or the Circle CI we need to implement the CI/CD. We automate the process of the testing, building and the deploying of the software by using these servers and the softwares. This is the core DevOps skill to ensure faster and the more reliable deliveries. So we can deliver our software in the industry as soon as possible by using these skills, CI/CD pipelines. Now we will talk about the section 5. Section 5 is the version control. Of course you cannot skip this version control because tool like the Git help you to manage the source code collaboration with your teams and maintain a history of your code changes. It's like we have the 100 developers and we need to every developers are pushing the code in a server. It's like the GitHub, they are pushing the code, but who made these changes we will get to know using that version control. So it's an industry standard. So make sure you are comfortable using the Git and the platform like the GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket likewise. So now we will discuss about the section 6. In the section 6 we will discuss infrastructure as a code. We call it as IAC. Another critical skill is the infrastructure as a code or the IAC with tool like the Terraform and the AWS Cloud Formation. You can manage your infrastructure programmatically. So these tools will help you to manage your infrastructure by using the programming languages. This make it easier to scale and replicate your environment so that we can save the time and the efforts. Now we will talk about the section 7, that is the containerization and the orchestration. Let's not forget about the containerization. So how to get these containerizations? So Docker allow you to help you to do that. Making Docker will help you to make them portable, and Kubernetes help you to manage and scale these containers across the multiple environments. So we can say here the Docker will help you to deploy to move your software, as like you have developed a software in the Docker. So we can move that software one place to another place, or one server to another server easily. All the environment in the Docker. And by using the Kubernetes, we will make we will make this the as like the users are increasing, so we can manage all this traffic by using the Kubernetes also. So in the Kubernetes, they make the clone of that Dockers likewise. So we can manage these kind of things in the Dockers and containerization by using them. So these tools are the game changer for the modern software development. So you need to know about all these softwares. Now we will discuss about the section 8, which is the monitoring and the logging. So next is the monitoring and the logging. So tool like the Prometheus and the Grafana and the ELK stacks is the essential, we can say. In the ELK stack, so we will discuss more about that in the further videos, but here we will understand only the ELK stack. In the ELK stack is E for the Elasticsearch, L for the Logstash, and K for the Kibana. So these are the pack of the logging and visualization and the uh, logging visualization and the data, whatever the data is coming, so we need to take it in the Elasticsearch. After that we use the log test, and by using the Kibana we are showing the logs or the data in the Kibana. So these are the essential monitoring tools, we can say. By using them we can analyze the systems and their performance. Okay, so they will help you to identify and the resolve the issues before they impact the users. So now we will talk about the section 9, that is the networking fundamental. Don't forget the networking fundamental. You need to understand the DNS, the load balancing, and the firewalls, and the IP addressing. These are the crucial for the ensuring the smooth communication between the applications and the components. A basic knowledge of the networking will go a long way in your DevOps careers. So you need to know that is very essential also. Now we'll talk about the section 10, that is the security practices. So another approach which is the important area in the security, or as we like to call it the DevSecOps. So this is the another topic we can go in the deep in the further videos. So here we are just discussing these things are required, means the security practices are required to become a good DevOps engineer. So security is not an after through anymore. It's a baked into every stage of the DevOps pipeline, from the development to deployment. So learn tool for the vulnerabilities scanning and the implement security best practices. So these will help you to secure your software and your environment. And another section is the section 11, that is the collaboration and the soft skill. And finally the collaboration and the communications is the good communication, we can say, is very essential for this skill set, we can say, for the DevOps engineers, because they work with the multiple people and multiple teams. So we need to have a good communication skill set. So DevOps is all about the teamwork. So strong soft skills are just as the important and the technical one. You will be working closely with the developers, IT teams, and the stakeholders to keep things running smoothly. So that's the thing. So you need all these all these skill set for your career to become a DevOps engineer. So in the coming videos we will discuss all these things. So that's it for today. These are the essential skill set you need to become a successful DevOps engineer, whether you are just starting out or looking to level up your careers. So focus on building these skills, and you will be unstoppable. If you have any query related with this video, then comment it. I will reply on it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the more content like this. In the coming videos we will learn all these skill set which we have discussed in this video. In the next video we will learn about the Git in detail. Videos are coming. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.